The second type of customers is the peacock. Everybody's seen the peacock in the zoo, right? Yes. So they like to open up their fan and look so beautiful. So these type of customers, they like to bullshit. And man, I've seen a lot of these type of customers, right? So when you meet these type of customers, they will tell you about, oh, they're the best, they're the number one, they do so much export. This is my house, this is my car, and this is my other business. They like to bullshit, they like to show off.
Hey Tom, it's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. First I want to say congratulations on your YouTube channel. Everybody needs to follow your YouTube channel. So what everyone needs to do is subscribe to Tom Peng. Great guy, great person. Tom, keep up the great work.
So I learned this from the country manager of Alibaba. Today I'm going to share this with you, and this is very valuable, I think. So there are 4 types of customers. When you go sell, it doesn't matter what you sell. When you go sell, go F&B, go sell, go export, or anything else, in any industry, you are going to run into 4 types of customers. Pretty much all customers can be categorized into these 4 types. What I'm going to share with you today is going to be absolutely fascinating, and you'll agree with me. You're like, oh yeah, I met all 4 of these types. Okay, let me know if you heard this one before, okay? The first type is tiger. The second type is peacock. The third type is koala bear, and the fourth type is owl.
Và nhóm thứ tư là một con cú.
Con cú, okay? So, have anybody heard this one before?
Yes, too.
Oh, you have?
The version of color.
Okay, well, okay, so you heard that one before. Okay, so the first type is tiger. So this is like a customer that is the boss, the key person. He's very tough, right? So this is the kind of key person, the boss. He's always telling you, I don't have time. Okay, you only have 10 minutes. Yeah, he's always angry, and everybody is scared of him. All the salespeople, even their own employees, all scared of him. Ever meet a customer like that? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
I have. Well, actually, I haven't, because usually I'm more angry. So, so compared to me, they're not angry. You know, these customers are actually excellent. These customers no bullshit. They like to get to the point. They don't want to waste time. The reason why they tell you I only have 10 minutes is because they don't like to waste time. So how you deal with these type of customers is you gotta go direct to the point. I can help a company you export. But which countries are you exporting to right now? Which countries do you want to export to? And get to the point. Okay, don't beat around the bush. They hate that. If he's angry, if he's like direct to the point, he doesn't have time, get to the point. And he will appreciate that.
Và ông ấy sẽ trân trọng điều đó với
He'll
bạn.
appreciate that you save time for them. And when you deal with these type of customers, you have to be brave. You gotta have ball. Meaning when they're angry, they're yelling at you, you're calm, you're confident, and you're respectable. Don't try to explain. Oh, because don't explain. Because these type of bosses, they don't want explanations. They want result. Give them what they want. Okay, the worst thing you can do is apologize. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm late. They will totally not respect you. So be direct, be straight, but be respectable, be polite, and get to the point. Okay, everybody understand me?
Yes.
The second type of customers is the peacock. Everybody's seen the peacock in the zoo, right?
Các bạn đã từng nhìn thấy con công trong sở thú rồi đúng không?
Yes. So they like to open up their fan and look so beautiful. So these type of customers, they like to bullshit. And man, I've seen a lot of these type of customers. Right? So when you meet these type of customers, they will tell you about, oh, they're the best, they're the number one, they do so much export, this is my house, this is my car, and this is my other business. They like to bullshit, they like to show off. Anybody met these type of customers before?
Yes.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of them. I don't know why there's so many. They really like to talk about themselves and show off. But when it comes to buying your services and your products, they never commit. Every time you see them, they show off, but they never buy anything from you. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is how you deal with them. Okay, this is how you deal with them. So every time they show off, you compliment them. Wow, that is amazing.
Rất là tuyệt vời.
Oh, that's great. You're such a great businessman, businesswoman. Wow, you must make a lot of money. Wow, you have such great business acumen, genius. Oh, make them feel good. That's what they want when they show off. What they want is they want confirmation from other people to say they're great. So do it. But what you need to do is every 5 minutes close the customer. That's great. You have such wonderful business. You must have a lot of money. How about let's sign the contract now. Wow, you have such fantastic business. Let's take it up to the next level. Let's sign the contract now. Every 5 minutes.
Mình làm như
Every
vậy.
5 minutes you're closing the customer. Even better, do it when there's a lot of other people. When everybody's watching, customer, let's get this started. This is nothing compared to your business, what you have. And now they don't want to lose face. You know, the peacock people, they don't like to lose face. Put them in that situation where they feel they don't want to lose their face, so they sign. Make sense so far?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, the third type. The third type is koala bear. Everybody seen what koala bear looks like, right? Yes. Are they cute?
Có dễ thương không?
Yes.
They're cute. But they move very slowly. Koala bear not fast. Yes. So they are very slow in making decisions. Okay. They every time you ask them, they'll say, "Well, we need to think about it. Oh, we are not ready. We don't have the staff ready to take this on yet. I'm not sure. How about let's talk again next month." Okay. These customers are koala bears. They don't like to make any decisions because they're terrified. They're scared to make the wrong decision. That's what they're scared of. Okay. How do we deal with these type of customers? Any ideas?
Em xin trả lời là mình đưa ra cái chi tiết của mình nó rõ ràng cho sản phẩm này. Rồi bạn xin trả lời mình đưa ra cái giải pháp cũng như là cái thứ mà họ đang nghĩ trong đầu để mình đưa giải pháp tốt hơn.
Okay. So who said that? All right. Then $100. So for these type of customers, you have to make the decision for them. Don't ask them. Because what they want is somebody else to make the decision for them. They're always waiting for somebody else to make the decision for them. So this is what you tell the customer. Well, what you need is verified supplier 1 year and with $3,000 KWA. Let's execute right now. Go. Let's go. Don't give them the chance to make decisions. You decide for them. And they actually appreciate that because they cannot decide. They actually want to do it. They just don't have the ability to decide. They need someone to push them. And you need to be that person to push them. When you get into a customer that's like a koala bear, you have to make the decision for them. You need to go with this package. You need to hire the person now, and you got to do this, you got to do that. Yeah, you decide for them. You become their closest consultant. You tell them what to do. And if you want a close deal with these type of customers, you really need to understand their key problem. What is the biggest problem in their business, right? What is the biggest problem? If you can solve that, it's easier for them to decide. Make sense so far?
Yes.
You agree? Yeah. Have you met all three type yet?
Yes.
Okay. 100%. Yeah, I know. The fourth type, the owl. The owl have big eyes and they never sleep. They're nocturnal. They're awake at night and they have really good eyesight. Okay, they know everything that's happening around them. Okay, and for example, in the forest, the owl can see 100 meters from or whatever distance, and the owl can spot every rat, every chicken, every other animal in the forest. And the owl is solitary, meaning that the owl is always by him or herself. Okay, they're alone and no friends. Okay, but usually the type of customers that are owls, I give you two types. The first type is single women successful in business.
Nhóm đầu tiên chỉ là những nữ doanh nhân thành công trong sự nghiệp.
Anybody run into that kind of customer before? Single woman successful in business, not married, super smart, but no friends, and but they know everything. You ask them about their business, they can tell you every single detail. Or two, the second type is people that graduate from science and technology. Maybe they're math, maybe they're chemistry, physics, or engineering background. Meaning they're super analytical. They're not superstitious. They don't go by feelings. They need to look at numbers. Everything needs evidence. This person doesn't go by feelings. This is actually the toughest type of customer. Okay, the toughest type, but also the easiest to handle. Okay, toughest type because it's really, really hard to earn their trust because they don't trust anybody. They don't want to trust anybody. Remember, they're alone, they're solitary, right? So it's hard to earn their trust. But when you go see these customers, you always prepare data, but you always show data. In the month of October, the export number for garment to these countries are right? Always provide them numbers, but make sure you get the right numbers because they're analytical. They will ask you where the number come from. Are you trying to bullshit me? Make sure you can back up the numbers. So when you give them numbers, look at, they feel comfortable. They understand data. They understand how to read the data, and slowly they will start to trust you. Sometimes buy them gift. Nothing fancy. Maybe like fruit from your hometown. Earn their trust. Because when you earn their trust, then they will pay you back 10 times. These people have no friends. But when they trust you, when they value your presence, then they will return. They'll pay back 10 times. So that's the owl. So 4 types, again, tiger, gotta be direct with the tiger, and never appear weak in front of the tiger. Tiger will eat you alive. The second type is peacock. A1, $100. That's right. The peacock like to show off, but they never buy. They never commit. And let me tell you, they bullshit a lot. They always say, "Yeah, no problem. We will buy this. Yeah, we will pay. We'll pay tomorrow." But tomorrow never happens. Close every 5 minutes. After you close 3 times, 5 times, they still don't buy. Know the time to walk away. They probably will never buy. Don't waste your time. They just want somebody to listen to their peacock stories. Okay, and the third type is
Và nhóm thứ ba là
koala. That's right. They are slow to make decisions, so make decisions for them, and they appreciate that. They want somebody to make decisions for them.
Giùm
The
cho họ.
final type is owl, and usually these are the best customers if you can earn their trust. Always talk to them with data and numbers, but also show the emotional side as well, because they lack that part, right? So make them feel that you want to be their friend. When you earn their trust, they'll pay back 10 times. You all met these type of customers, right?
Bạn được gặp khách hàng này đúng không?
Now you know how to handle them.